Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you our microclimates in the garden and how they affect the plants. Here's a clip from the show. All right, here is our radish crop. Isn't that amazing? Now, one of the questions is, why are these radishes ready and the ones on the other side are not? So in each yard, in each building or whatever, you have what's called microclimates. So in this building, we are warmer in the center of the building than we are on the outside. And with it being warmer in the center, these are growing faster. Now you can have the same thing in your garden. What's next to the house, what's next to a shed or something like that, what's on the south side, what's on the north side, those all create microclimates in your garden. I have one garden out back here that the frost cuts diagonal right through the whole garden. So one section is fine, catty corner is fine, and I get this frost line right down through the middle. So those are my microclimates. And once you learn your microclimates for your garden, then you'll know what to plant where. So the more frost tender things I don't plant in that diagonal, I'll plant them on either side. Or in the case for in here, this is a little bit better location for a tomato than that, but it's going to warm up enough that both locations will be just fine. But that's why the radishes on this end have grown a little bit faster. This clip is from year 9, week 6. And if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.